So it's a pleasure to be here with all of you. Like, it's a great event today. So we learned so much about the Amazon GenAI features. So in case of IOCOD, so we are, especially as Faizan said about like in M2H, they are in fintech domain. So we are working like last 10 years, we are into the fintech domain and we are working with different products in the fintech. Especially it's in US area, like we have a syndication solution where users, investor can register and whenever new merchant comes, right, they can ask for say like an MCA funding, like whenever a small business needs fund, like they can request the fund with the marketplace and we will validate every requirement and put it our marketplace. So investors can see the business and they can fund. So that's kind of fintech marketplace we have. Also in case of collaboration with TechBrein, like I think we started the collaboration in last June, almost 1 year completed. So our main idea is to migrate our DigitalOcean instances to the AWS. And the challenge part is we have one application called 𝗖𝗹ecie. So 𝗖𝗹cie is a complete all-in-one marketing solution. So it's not specific to fintech, but as our existing users are fintech, right? So we initially pitched this product to the fintech domain. The thing is that it catch attention to the fintech users and most of the users are using like our incoming messages rate will be high. Like 𝗖𝗹cie is like a platform where users can purchase phone numbers and they can send SMS calls to the potential clients or contacts or leads through the 𝗖𝗹cie. They can also able to send the email, everything. So it's like a bulk messaging, bulk email kind of service we are providing. So like in that kind of SaaS application, the throttling will come, right? If a large amount of incoming requests will come, our application will not able to handle. We need to set up an auto-scaling concept there. So the problem is that in DigitalOcean, our database, even we are using managed database, it is not auto-scalable. So we will pitch connected with the TechBrein, and TechBrein come with an amazing solution. Like in our Amazon, we have Amazon Aurora. So it is an auto-scalable database. So they ask us to migrate to Aurora database kind of scenario. And it's successfully done. Like it's a huge relief for side. Like whenever the new users comes, right? Whenever the connections increase, it automatically scale, the database scale to withhold all connections. Because our application is monolithic because we just start that kind of software. So in moving forwards, we are focusing on dividing the modules, like creating separate modules, each functions to be a separate modules and moving to the microservice architecture. So I take this moment to thank Arun from TechBrein because he is leading the migration and he is there to support us in all the time. Because the migration is a huge task because we need to migrate all the data from existing source to the new database, or we need to migrate the servers, even the code base, right? We have to create the same replica from the DigitalOcean to the AWS. So that's a huge task. And the team led by Arun, they will guide us in every step and smoothly we migrate to AWS. And thanks to all support to India TechBrein team and especially to Akhtar and Arun. So hopefully in future, like we are going to be in microservice architecture in future, like we are. So I hope this kind of partnership will continue in the next phase as well. So I take this moment to thank India TechBrein to give us such an event and an opportunity to interact with all. Bye. Thank you.